សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់សប្តាហ៍ថ្មីនៃការបង្រៀនមុខវិជ្ជាអង់គ្លេសថ្នាក់ទី9ថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងបន្តមេរៀនទី9របស់យើងទៅលើចំណងជើងថា Fun and Games ហើយថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង Grammar 2 Tense Review. Okay. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the form and rules of present continuous, be going to, and will. And write sentences using present continuous, be going to, and will. And you will be able to complete the quiz on Google Form. Okay, so before we go into our lesson, let's review the vocabulary that you learned from last session. Okay, aquarium, art gallery, campsite, castle, fishing port, market, monument, safari park, statue, town square, water park. Okay, so all of these words you already learned from last week, and I hope that you still remember about this word. And now let me translate these words into Khmer language. So aquarium is អាងចិញ្ចឹមត្រី art gallery is វិចិត្រសាល campsite កន្លែងបោះជំរំ castle គឺប្រាសាទ fishing port គឺផែនេសាទmarket គឺផ្សារដោយសារតែសុំតួកន្លែងនេះវាខ្ញុំ error បន្តិចណាហើយ monument គឺវិមាន safari park គឺសួនសត្វ statue គឺរូបសំណាកហើយ town square នេះគឺទីធ្លាកណ្ដាលក្រុងwater park គឺសួនទឹកអូខេអញ្ចឹងteacher សង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅអាចចាំពាក្យទាំងអស់នេះនៅអាចសរសេរនិងយកទៅប្រើប្រាស់នៅក្នុងការសរសេររបស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឬក៏ជាការនិយាយផងដែរអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងបន្តទៅមេរៀនថ្មីនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងនឹងរៀនតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង tense review ដោយសារតែមេរៀនទី9នេះគឺជាមេរៀនចុងក្រោយនៃសៀវភៅដែលយើងបានរៀនគឺ motivate to អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ grammar គឺគេ review តាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងgrammar ដែលយើងបានរៀននៅក្នុងសៀវភៅហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងនឹង review តាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង present continuous, be going to, and will. So look at the present continuous form. For positive form, look at the example. Lou is having my counter. Okay, so Lou is the subject, is verb to be, and having is verb ing plus object. And look at the negative one. I am not studying this weekend. And question, is she having a party on Friday? Okay, so look at the be going to. For positive form, I'm going to go to the party. So for the be going to form, it has subject, verb to be, and going to plus verb. Okay, and now look at the negative one. Negative form of be going to, we aren't going to visit our aunt. And question form, are you going to visit Paris? Okay, and will, they will go to Paris. I won't go to Rome. Will you go shopping? Okay, so now look at the rules of these forms. I'll complete the rules below with the words in the box. So we have the 3 rules of each form, like future plans, intentions, predictions. So sentence number 1, we use will and want to make. So នៅពេលដែលយើងប្រើ will ឬក៏ want តើយើងប្រើវាដើម្បីធ្វើអីគេ future plans, intention ឬក៏ prediction. Number 2, we use the present continuous to talk about what? Talk about future plans, intentions, or predictions. Number 3, we use be going to talk about intention, predictions, or future plans. Okay, so what you have to do is to put all the word in the box into the correct sentence. Okay, so now look at the answer here. Okay, number 1, we use will and want to make predictions. Okay, remember that when we use the will or want in order to make predictions, it means that we do not know what will happen, so we have to use will and want. And number 2, we use the present continuous to talk about future plans. Okay, so you already plan about doing something in the future, so we have to use the present continuous form. Number 3, we use be going to talk about intentions. Okay, so for example, I'm going to visit my aunt this weekend. It means that at this weekend you will visit your aunt, or you're going to visit your aunt. Okay, practice. Okay, let's go to the practice. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Going, I'll. Okay, it could be she'll or he'll or I'll or they'll or will, because for this one it is the apostrophe ll, so it's the shortcut of will. Sing are to, so this one is the shortcut of are, and this one is the shortcut of is. Okay, so look at the example. Seeing them at 7 o'clock tonight. So what you have to do is to complete this exercise, or by using the word that we already have in the box. Okay, and the answer will be given in the next week. Okay. Alright, so here is your homework. So complete the sentences with the words in the box. Is similar to your practice. And look at the example. We aren't doing any exams next week. Okay, so we are sure that we're not doing the exam. Okay, so what you have to do in this exercise, you have to put the word which is in the box to complete the sentence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the answer will be given in the next video next week. Okay, so I hope that you can do it, and don't forget to complete the quiz on the Google form that I have given to you, or your teacher give to you. Okay, so thank you so much for your participation. Good luck everyone, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.